Okay, so our next step is we removed the rear section of the motorcycle, and now we've got our hardtail that we purchased from V-Twin Manufacturing. We're going to mock this up, grind this down, get it fit, get it square. That's the most important thing. Is there's going to be a lot of prep work in getting this thing squared so that the motorcycle rides properly. We'll weld it up, and then the next step after that is putting the motor and transmission back in. So we'll see you soon, and the next step will be fully mocked up and clamped just before welding. Okay guys, there's a lot of prep work that goes into putting this hardtail section in. We've cleaned up our cuts here, rounded the edges, and this hardtail is all the way up. We've also drilled a couple of holes so we can fill those in with a weld, and then we'll grind them off smooth. We've put a piece of straight bar in here to make sure that our frame is level going across. We've also ground these down so we can cap these, and then we'll put a nice weld on them, finish them off real nice. When we come back, you'll see the finished product welded up, ready to go, and then we'll put the motor back in so we can finish our mock-up, and then we got to take it all apart to get it finished powder coat. So come back and check us out later. Okay, it's been a while since we've been here. Even bike shops need to wait for parts. We got some really cool wheels and our Springer front end on our hardtail project. We went with a 160/18 in the back, and we went with a 21-inch wheel in the front. The wheels that we picked out are a chrome wheel with a chrome hub, and we decided to go with black powder coat. Easy to clean, and it's going to look really cool. We've got our hardtail section all welded in. We've got our Springer front end. Now when you're doing a project like this, you might as well just resolve yourself to the fact that nothing's going to go right. We had to do some modifications here. The neck lock needed to be cut off, and we're also going to need to do some modifications to our Springer front end so that we can have a good turning radius. We're going to finish putting this bike into a total roller. Basically, you build the bike, you put it together, and then you take it back apart to do powder coating and painting. We're going to get the motor in. We've got our parts coming for our wheel spacers, sprockets, brake calipers, all that good stuff. We'll see you again soon.